So hello guys, welcome back to my another tutorial video of Python Studios. This is Nafiz here, and in this lecture we'll learn about formatting string, how we can format our string output. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get straight to Python. We will create a new Python file here. I will name it formatting. You can name it anything. This is formatting. So what is string format? What are the strings? So suppose we have a string variable. String variable str is equal to string, or strings are always starts with double quotation. Inside that we have to write our strings. So suppose we have my name is Nafiz Anam. So this is a string. So this is a string. Now if we print this, print str, and we run this, we can see my name is Nafiz here. So this is a string and we are getting the output of string. Say suppose we have another one, age is equal to 20. So this is an integer variable and this is an integer number. So if we want to add this to our string, so suppose in our print statement we don't have this variable, we only just have this thing, control C, control V here. So we have this thing. So how we can add this? Suppose we have this, and uh, I am something years old. I am something years old. So what we can use here, we have seen in our previous lectures that we can use plus, we can use plus here and type our variable name. So suppose we do the same here, we have age here and plus this and this. If we run this, in our control we see error, because in our previous lecture we have seen how we can add string with strings, but now age is not a string, age is now an integer, age is now integer value, age is now an integer value. So we cannot concatenate string and integer. I have told this in our numerical operator lecture, that we cannot add or multiply or do operations with two different types of data. We need to change one of them to a single data type, then we can use them together. But there is also another way. We can do this by not giving the plus, we can do comma, and we can use comma here. So if we run this now, we can see that I am 20 years old is showing here, because here we said the compiler that from here to here this is a string, then this is an integer or other type of value, then this is another string, because strings are inside double quotations and our variable is inside two commas, so it's indicating that there is another value here. So it's printing that value, that variable's value 20 in our console. So this is how we can use string and other variables together. We also can use string concatenation, like we can add two strings. So suppose print my name is, so we can use here plus and the name. We can take a name variable here and give this variable a value of shape. So if you run this, oh sorry, I didn't get the double quotation here. So Asif. So if you run this, you will see my name is Asif here. So when you are using string, when you are using the string value, we can use the plus symbol. We can use the plus symbol, and when we are using other type of values, we'll use the comma symbol. So this was for the integer and the string. So now if we want to add a new line into our string, suppose we have a print suppose I am plus name, I am something. So we have something else here, or quotation, we have to get plus here. So it's adding this string and this string together. So after that we need a new line, so suppose we have another statement here that I am a student. So here if we run this, we can see it's in one single line, but we need this one to be in different line. So what can we use here? We can use backslash quotations here. So backslash n, if we run this, now we can see this is in a different line. There is a space here because there is a space. So if I remove this and run this, so perfect. I'm Asif and I'm a student of. We can use this to format our output string. So in this lecture, I have shown you how you can use two different types of values in your output format and how you can format your strings in different ways. So this was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.